Attorney, kanina dun sa interjection ng mga senators, nabanggit na may mga remedy pa pala ang Office of the Vice President, DepEd, how may correct, yung mga subject ngayon ng impeachment proceedings. Paano pag na-comply lahat?
Yung ano po, na-comply po yung.
Opo.
Opo.
Sinabi ng COA kaninang
Opo.
auditor na may mga remedies pa naman.
Opo. Pero yung, okay, I'll explain it na para hindi tayo sa merits. I'll just explain the rules ng COA na lang po, no? So once there is an audit, once you receive an AOM or Audit Observation Memorandum from COA, ang ginagawa po dyan is that you are given time to respond. After the time to respond and you've submitted your response, ina-evaluate po yan ng COA. And pagkatapos po nun, they might issue a notice of suspension or notice of disallowance nga na ginawa din nila sa OVP. So, ang kakaibahan, pag regular funds po kasi yan, dumadaan muna yan sa director level and then aakyat po yan hanggang commission proper. And ang importante po dyan is the government agency has 180 days, no, sa pag-akyat from a notice of disallowance. Pwede mong iakyat yan sa director and then to the commission proper within 180 days. Dito po kasi pagdating sa COA ICFAO, wala na po kasing director sa taas ng COA ICFAO. Diretso na po yan ng commission proper and that has to be done within 180 days. Now, once the commission on proper decides under the rules of COA, once the commission proper decides, the government agency has the right or the option to file a motion for reconsideration. Sakaling hindi po pabor yung naging desisyon ng commission proper, meaning na-affirm yung notice of disallowance. Now, once you file a motion for reconsideration, either i-reconsider ng COA at ipawalang bisa na nila yung notice of disallowance, or they might just deny the motion for reconsideration and maintain the notice of disallowance. Ang susunod na step po dyan is aakyat tayo ngayon sa Supreme Court via Rule 65 in relation to Rule 64 of the Rules of Court. So kung babasahin niyo po yung Rules of Court, sa Rule 64, yun yung specifically for COA and COMELEC pag aakyat ka sa Supreme Court, no? But again, Rule 65 is grave abuse of discretion. So ang magiging ground mo bakit ka umaakyat sa Supreme Court is because you believe there was grave abuse of discretion on the part of COA. So yun po yung proseso. So sa ngayon, nasabi naman po ng witness na meron pa tayong remedies available for OVP.
Attorney, baka